Hello, Aquarius. So if you are Aquarius, Sun, Moon, or Rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. What is going on with Aquarius right now? So we have the Nine of Cups. What I want to say with that, the Nine of Cups, is I feel like you guys could be feeling a little bit more positive right now. Maybe in the recent past you haven't been feeling that, some of you guys, and take the bottom and the top, the Lovers card, and the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so there's something that you guys have started that you may be thinking about completing, this goal. Maybe it keeps getting interrupted. You guys, there's peace here. You guys want peace. I feel like things could be starting to slow down, calm down if things were a little crazy for you guys, Aquarius. So, but I also feel like, so the Nine of Cups, I'm getting for some of you guys, you could be feeling like, you guys are, there are things happening. So if it doesn't look like it's happening, or just when you're about to give up on something, something happens and it's like luck. I almost want to say you guys could be feeling a little bit of luck, or like something is on your side when you feel like giving up, or something like that. So you could be struggling with something, but the light is still there. So you guys may be feeling like the light's turned off, but the light is still there. You could be seeing this. You could be finding yourself seeing this, and you're doubting it, but it's like the universe keeps showing it to you. This is a struggle, the peace of mind I feel with the Two of Swords. So I feel like you guys, some of you guys could be in need of some healing, in need of some quiet time, in need of some peace. And I feel like things have been crazy and things are slowing down right now. And I feel like you guys, if there was any interruption of motivation, you guys could be feeling determined right now. Because we have the Moon in Taurus, and this could be bringing energies of being more, okay, I'm ready to take this on, this project, this goal, I'm ready to do this. And then we have the Four of Wands, which is completion. It's also stability, and it's like structure. It could be celebration. So this is on your mind, a goal that you want to accomplish, and maybe you put it aside. Maybe you had interruptions. So there's something here that there's a goal of something that you want to have a strong foundation in, or something that you want to create, or complete the next level, or something like that, for you guys, Aquarius. And then we have the Two of Wands. This is called Dominion. The Two of Wands is like you're seeing your vision, and you're bringing that vision to life. So you're planning it, you're looking out, and you have this desire to fulfill this goal that you want, this wish that you want, this vision that you want. You have this desire, is the fire is getting bigger for it. So you have seen this in the recent past, and I feel like you guys are ready to get back into it. But then we have the Hermit card. And with the Hermit card, you guys could also be looking for answers, a solution, or a different way, or something. You guys are looking for something when it comes to your goals. It could be this goal, it could be multiple things. How are you going to go about this in the future? So you could be determined. I feel like some of you also be pulled to studying certain things with this card, and it's not exactly what this means, but I feel like you guys could be thinking about studying something. And also for some of you guys, if you are thinking of studying something or finding something out, you guys could be doing this on the down low, I want to say. So for some of you guys, and some of you not. But that's what I'm getting with this. And it's everyone's situation is different, so take what resonates. But that's what I get with that card, and leave room for your own interpretation also. The Knight of Cups. You guys could be really thinking about love, and maybe you push that aside, because some of you guys could be a little bit cold with certain people or certain relationships. And I feel like some of you guys could be feeling a little bit more open or pulled to allow some of that in love, happiness, or something like that. And I think this has to do more with relationships than hobbies for most of you guys. And for some of you guys, this could mean doing fun things, doing something fun that's fulfilling. And you could be yearning for more of that right now. And you could be planning this also. And for some of you guys, this passion that you're seeing could be something that's very fulfilling here. And it could be something that you want to do that's going to bring in happiness, and also could be something that you enjoy doing. So if it's a work thing and you enjoy it, it doesn't feel like work. If it's something that you love, it's something that you have passion for. So depending on your situations, I feel like you guys are planning something that's going to be happy. It's going to bring happiness and fulfillment to you guys. The Chariot. I want to say things are moving. I want to say things are moving with this card. Things that you've worked on. It could be projects that you worked on for a while, or something that you wanted for a while. Something is happening here. And for some of you guys, you may not be seeing this, but there are things happening behind the scenes. And for others, you could be seeing things happening, and they could be moving very fast for you, or you're about to see that things are going to be moving quicker than you guys think. The Prince of Discs. This is what's around you guys. There's opportunities here, whether you're feeling them or not. So you could have been not feeling this, but maybe now you're feeling more determined, more committed to maybe take the opportunities around you, or look at the opportunities around you. You could be open to this. So I feel like there's opportunities for growth here in your goals and your projects, whatever you want to do. Could be monetary, could be learning skills, it could be work, it could also be goals, hobbies, and it can also be wellness. So these opportunities around you here, you could be doing research on things like that too around you guys. What is around, what's available, and that could be the vision, planning, the determination, the passion. And then we have love, the Two of Cups. So we have the King, the Knight, the Knight. And the Knights are the kings in this card, in this tarot deck. And then we have the Two of Cups. Then we have the Lover's card here. And we have the Ten of Cups. So there could be something on your mind when it comes to love that you want to bring more of. There could be a person that you want to be close to. There could be someone special that you want to bring into your life, or someone that you have that is special that you want to have more connection with. And it can also mean making plans with the people that you love to bring happiness in here. So depending on your situation, could be more than one. This is what's on your mind. This is what you want to bring in. Very important right now for you guys. The Ten of Cups. This is a near future card. So I feel like there's good things here, because the Ten of Cups is fulfillment, it's happiness, it's your cup being full. So I feel like after some maybe craziness time or something like that, that you guys are going to be bringing in a better energies, happier energies, better times, good experiences with the Ten of Cups in the near future. So I feel like you guys are planning something, and you're bringing in some peace, and you're I feel like things are going to shift. So if you were kind of like moving away from your goals, you're going to get back into the goals. You're going to get back into being with people. You're going to get back into maybe having closer relationships with people, opening up to love. If you've been pushing it away, you guys could be feeling open to that. So we got the Lover's card, and then we have the Seven of Discs. And these two cards, it's about choices, being attracted to a person or situation. It can also mean choices of seeing things, what's right for you and what's not right. And the Seven of Pentacles is about putting effort into something that's not working out. So be very careful with your decisions when it comes to relationships and people, because you could be open, but it's about taking your time and not rushing things. With these two cards, it's about putting your energy into the right person or situation that is for you. It is very important right now, because your goals are here for happiness, being open to it, and some of you guys could be protective of your hearts and could be pushing certain things away. So I feel like some of you guys could be open, but just to do it in a way that you're taking your time, not rushing into things. And if there's an opportunity here that you're passionate about, it's also about taking your time, because things can look one way on the outside and be different on the inside. So this card is about making clear choices, because there's opportunities here and there's plans here, whether it's people, relationships, or something like that. So if there's something you want to complete here with the goals, you want to bring or manifest something here, love, happiness, fun. This is a fun card. This is a great card. The Ten of Cups. So fulfillment, very important on your mind here. So future card, future card. This is the goals. So just being careful with decisions that you guys are making. And you guys are good at that, Aquarius. Like, you guys have this inner knowing and stuff like that. So just trust your instincts, trust your intuition, and take your time. And I wish you guys well.